안녕하세요. After watching this video, you will be able to learn new Korean consonant S, S. But before you watch this video, you have to know how to read 10 basic vowels, which are A, Ya, O, Yo, U, Yo, U, U, I. So if you don't know what it is, please check 2 videos above. Okay, then if you are ready, let's get started. Now, may I ask you a question? What does it look like? Doesn't it look like a mountain? Okay, but the mountain is covered with snow, right? So this is a snowy mountain sound. Snowy mountain sound. So it sounds like S, but in some circumstances, it sounds more like she. Let me show you when to pronounce each cases. Please take a look at the left one first. As you know, it looks like snowy mountain, so it sounds like S. So please repeat after me. 사, 서, 소, 수, 스. Okay, compared to left one, in this part, there are 5 vowels. Do you know what they have in common? They have one more stroke, one more stroke, one more stroke. So it sounds Y sound, right? But in Korean, Y sound is like E sound, this E sound. So all these vowels include E sound, okay? So after the initial consonant snowy mountain, if the vowel include E sound, this snowy mountain sounds more like she rather than S. So try to compare these 2 tables. 사, 샤, 서, 셔, 소, 쇼, 수, 슈, 스, 시. Can you feel the difference? Okay, so let's try to practice. 사, 서, 소, 수, 스. 사, 서, 소, 수, 스. 샤, 셔, 쇼, 슈, 시. 샤, 셔, 쇼, 슈, 시. Then now let me show you how to write correctly. There are 2 steps. The first step is to write this. And then this. Okay, one more time. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. For your reference, this one, and then strike one, same one. So it doesn't matter. Okay, both are okay. Okay. Today we covered new Korean consonant called snowy mountain. Thank you for watching my video today also. So 그럼 다음에 또 만나요.